Hi, this is Ian with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, your U.S. authorized warranty and service center for the Enbio S. Today we are going to be putting the fascia back on. The fascia was removed if there was an issue with the LCD or the ribbon cable. So what we're going to do is line up the magnet that is in the bottom with the wiring. You have two plates. The plates will slide down on either side of there, and this will actually push that magnet wire and make sure it maintains inside the fascia and will not get pinched anywhere. After doing that, you want to make sure this ribbon cable goes through that channel, and the magnet wires will actually go through this little channel. You can press them down into place. Once you get that mostly lined up, you can line up the ribbon cable. Once that's pushed in, you can push down on that gate valve and it will lock it into place. Loosely fit the fascia, and again using your Torx 20, start feeding these in. You only want to get these in, you do not want these to go all the way tight. Once you've put all the screws in, you want to leave them loose, because to properly install the top cover, you need to align the fascia bracket. So it needs to remain about that loose until you are ready to put the top cover back on. Any questions, please give us a call, 704-966-1650, option 3 for tech support, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.